A lot of active weather going on out there. So far in Denver, relatively quiet today. The skies are getting a little bit darker, though, especially to the southwest of us. This is the storm we're watching from our Viero camera that's east of DI, looking down to the southwest. And that is the storm from our camera up at Loveland Ski Area. So there are a couple of big thunderstorms brewing. Let me show you on radar where they are. Primarily watching right back here across parts of Clear Creek and Gilpin County down into Park County, moving into Jefferson County. So we'll see how this expands as it comes off the foothills. At least through about 9 o'clock we have a chance of the showers and storms. Much warmer today, up to 89 degrees compared to yesterday's highs just in the 70s. Normal high is at 90, so we're right about where we should be this time in July. It's 85 right now downtown at our studios, 89 degrees at the airport. Winds are out of the east at 8 miles per hour with a dew point of 54. So here's the scene around the nation. Hot to the southwest, cooler over the Great Lakes, the humid, stormy conditions over the east. And we have a series of little weak weather fronts moving through. For this evening, it's scattered storms, not as severe as what we had yesterday, but there'll be a few strong ones. Some late storms may develop in Nebraska as another little surge of slightly cooler air comes in across the northeast corner of the state. Mild tonight in Denver with 63 for a low. Expect 60 at the Springs, 59 at Greeley. Along the Front Range, the lows are going to be in the upper 50s to mid-60s at lower elevations and mid-50s expected in the foothills. Partly cloudy in the morning tomorrow. This weak little front pushes closer by 9 a.m. We're warm and dry by mid-morning. As it starts to continue to slide farther to the south and to the east, we get more of a northeasterly wind, increasing the upslope. Scattered storms developing in the afternoon, and we may see some severe storms on the eastern plains tomorrow along and east of that weather front. I think we'll see even more of them on Thursday. Not quite as hot tomorrow, about 85 in Denver. Some hot temperatures just ahead of that front over southeastern Colorado. Mostly in the mid-80s to a few spots near 90. 70s expected in the mountains. Tonight's forecast, some storms early, then partly cloudy after about 9 o'clock, and a nice night with a big bright moon, a low of 63. Tomorrow in the morning, it'll be partly cloudy. Storms likely after about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, a high of 85. Breaking it down tomorrow, 65 at 7 a.m., partly cloudy. The clouds building by noon. Thunderstorms, 85 by 4 o'clock. Storms ending by 8 p.m. I think another good chance of storms on Thursday, possibly severe, not as warm with a high of 80. Warmer and drier on Friday for our Celebrate Colorado event. And then for the weekend, storms likely Saturday, a few on Sunday. Next week turns mostly sunny, a little bit warmer, and back up close to the 90 mark by the time we get to next Tuesday.